one circle inside three groups did there. Three color. One is there, empty is there, two color did. Like this given, match same system is there. Match the following. Like this is there. Match the following like this is there. First one, 2 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5. Where two color reading the color. See. So here 1, 2 is there. 1 by 2 is there. Here also 1 by 2 is there. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 is there. 1 by 5. Two color. 2 into 1 by 5. 2 color. Here one color is there. Here one color is there. 2, 1 by 5. So one circle inside how many? How many box are in? 5 box. 5 box. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 by 5. 2 color is there. 2 figure is there. 2 color. Here one color. Here one color. This is 2 into 1 by 5. One circle inside 5 box. Contained piece. So like this is there. Now this is like this. So now second one, 2 into 1 by 2 is there. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 color 1 by 2. Here one box is there, divided into 2. Right? 2 color, 1 and 2 color, 2 into 1 by 2. So this is what is there? Second one B. Second one B. This is second one B. So next is there. Next 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. 2 into 3 into 1 2 1 2 is there. Here 3 is there. Which figure will come? This is very important. 2 by 3. 3 into color. Which color? That is very important. So 3 into 2 by 3. 3 figures are there. 1, 2, 3 figures are there. 3 into 2 by 3. 2 color is there. Box inside how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 colors. So 3 into 3 figures are there. 2 colors is there. 1, 2, 2 colors. Total divided by 3. This is answer A. Last one remains what? 3. 3 figures. 1, 2, 3 figures. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is answer C. Like this, you have to matching the. So this is third one. This is B only. This is second. So now this is fourth. So this is 1. So like this, you have to matching the following this as the following. Like this is there. So see figure. So how much is there? Like this, you have to doing the problem and doing the colors and like this matching. Okay. Now second one same is there. Second one also same is there. So understood this one? Yes. Second question. Second question. Question number second is there. Question number second. See here. Some pictures. Some pictures A to C. A to C are given below. Are given below. Tell which of them show. Tell which of them show. Which of them show. So A to C figures is there. First you see the figures. First one 3 into. First one 3 into 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. So that is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4. This is, I am writing this one. How to writing this one? Mixed fraction. 4 as it is. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1. So 2 whole 1 by 4 we have to write. So like this, we have to writing this one. Next is the ABC figure A, B, C. So like this figures is there. See here. When draw the figure, first one figure is there. First figure. Like this is there. So like this figure. Like this figure is there. First one is equal to like this is there. Like this figure is there. Then B figure B1. First 1 2 3 triangles are there. 1 2 3 is equal to 1 2 then 3 figures are there. Then 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So like this given figure. And first one, make the color, this one color, so total this color, this one color, and this one color, this one color is equal to like this, is equal to like this color, and this one. So reverse triangle, how to doing is the reverse triangle. One of the reverse triangle. This inside triangle. This inside triangle. Like this triangle is there. Now diagram is there. Like this diagram is there. Like this diagram is there. So next, like this one is there. Like this is there. Next, complete is there. Next, like this. So shaded portion, like this shaded portion is there. Next, here one shaded portion is there. Second one shaded portion is there. Third shaded portion is there. That is equal to 3 shaded portion. 1 2 3. So like the second portion. So 3 by 5 means where is the 3 by 5? Answer is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 colored. So that is C1. First is the C. So 2 by 3. Where is the 2 by 3? Here is the 2 by 2 colored. One is the empty. 2 by 3. Answer is A. So next 2 whole 1 by 4. 2 whole 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4. 2 whole is there. What is there? 2 whole. 1 by 4 is there. See, whole is there, 2 whole is there. 1, 2 whole is there. Total colored whole is there. And 1 colored is there. 1 colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is B. So like this you have to matching. So you see answer is given. Is equal to answer. Is equal to answer. Is equal to answer. Answer here also is equal to answer. Is equal to answer is there. You see this one and match the color. So like this we have to matching the figures. Understood my dear students? Yes, this is very important in fractions. So now next question. Understood this one? This one understood this one? Yes? Understood? Yes. Okay. So I this one. Okay. Next is the question number 3. Question number 3. This is very important question. Multiply and reduce. Multiply and reduce. Reduce to lowest form. To lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. Already previous class, when I start the class, I said convert into improper fraction to mixed fraction to convert it into improper fraction. Already I have already said. Then question inside is what is that? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Reduce which system? Lowest. So for example, 4 by 8 is there. 4 by 8, the reduced to lowest form. Reduce means what? Table says 4 and 8 is there. 4 table set is there. Yes. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 1 by 2. What is this? Reduced to lowest form. This is lowest form. 1 by 2 is lowest form. Well, and you have to write the equivalent fraction. 5 equivalent fraction is what how to writing. So 2 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and into 3 3 by 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 divided by 4 3s are 12. Am I right? So write this equivalent fraction. So I have to multiply lowest form. 6 1s are 6 2s are 12 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 answer. So go far. Reduce means what? That cancel the numbers. Same tables inside will come that numbers. Same tables inside will come. So this is an example. Now first one, what is given? Question itself what is given? See here. So 7 into 3 by 5. First one 7 into 3 by 5. So question is what is it? Multiply is there and reduce to lowest form. So multiply is there. Sulochana 7 into 3 by 5. So whatever denominator is 1. Nothing is there in this So Sulochana, so 5 into 2 by 9, 2 by 9. So whatever denominator is 1, whatever denominator is 1, 5 2s are 10, divided by 9. So is equal to 9 at least. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, divided by 9. So very simple mathematics, my dear students. Simple mathematics. So how to converting this one? So this is 4 problems over now. At a time 4 problems. So like this you have to doing that. So multiply and reduce to the lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So like this question is there. First you have to multiply and reduce and you have to convert into the mixed fraction. Reduce is there, you do the reduce. So not there means what, you directly convert it into the mixed fraction. Understood my dear students? Yes. Next fifth one. First and second I will say this one. So fifth one is there 2 by 3 into 4 is there. 2 by 3 into 4. So here fraction number is there again. Nothing. Don't confuse them. 2 by 3 into 4, whatever denominator is 1. 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3. So is equal to 3 denominator as it is. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 2 whole 2 by 3 answer. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So like this. Next sixth one. 5 by 2 into 6. 5 by 2 into 6. So simple mathematics. So 5 by 2 into 6. Whatever denominator is 1. So 5 6 are 30. Divided by 2 1s are 2. Here if you get cancel, you get cancel. 2 1s are 2 1s are. So reduce the lowest form. 2 1s are what remain? 1 remain. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 15. Answer is 15. Whole. So like this how to doing. Now next seventh one 11 into 4 by 7. 11 into 4 by 7. So Sulochana, so 11 into 4 by 7, whatever the denominator is 1. 11 4s are 44 divided by 1 7s are 7 is equal to 7 denominator. 7 ones are, see 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 6s are 42. 42 plus 2 44. 6 whole 2 by 7. 6 whole 2 by 7. 6 whole 2 by 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 2 44. So like this how we do it. So 8 ones 20 into 4 by 5. 20 into 4 by 5. Sulochana 20 into 4 by 5. Whatever denominator is 1. 24s are 80. 4 2s are 8. 0. 1 5s are 5 is equal to. So 5 1s are 5. So 8 is there. 5 1s are 5. 5 gone. What remain? 3 remain. 5 6 are 30. What is the answer? 16. 16 by 1 is what? 16 only. So like this how to multiply and lowest term and convert it into mixed fraction. My dear students, it's very simple is there. We have to do. And remaining I will giving the homework. We have to do complete the homework. Okay? See here. So now this one. Okay? This question homework. This question will be homework. So 8th one, 9th one. 13 into 15 into 3 by 5. 15 into 3 by 5. 11th one. 2 whole 6 by 3. 6 by 3. 12th one. 4 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2. And 13th one. 10 into 2 by 5. Now 14th 25 into 1 by 5. So 16th 14th 15th 35 2 by 10. This you have to do the homework. You have to do the homework, my dear students. Okay? Well, so next question is there. Next question, I will bring for next question. So fourth question is there. What is the question is there? Fourth question is there. How to bring this one? Fourth question. So like this is there. Say. What is their question? Say. First question. First one. 1 by 2 of the circle in box. 1 by 2 of the circles. In box A. So is given A box. First A box. So what is there? C box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3 are 12. So it is some box is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this box is there. And 3 So 1 by 2 of the circles in box. 1 by 2 is doing it there. 1 by 2 of the circles. So here box is there. Total box inside how many circles are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is there. So 1 by 2. So one box inside color. Same is there. Same 1 by 2. So one box inside is there. 1 by 2 is doing it there. See, simple is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over. This is the answer. This is the answer. Why? Here 6 is there. Divide. 1 by 2. One box is there. Here 6 circles is there. Downside circle 6 is there. Same. I did same. Very simple. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Now second B. So there are this one. Yes, okay. Second one question. 2 by 3 of the triangles. 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. In the box B. See. So box is there. This is a box. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So total how many triangles are there? 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9 triangles are there. So 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means how to doing 2 by 3. So very simple is there. My dear So total 3 is there. This is 2 by 3. Next question is there. Third one, 3 by 5 of the squares. Third one is there. 3 by 5 of the squares. Squares in box. In box C. In box C. In box C. What is the C here? The box is there. Like this box is there. And squares is there. Squares is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 is there. Total how many squares are there? 3 by 5. What by 5? 3 by 5. How to circumcise 3 by 5? 3 by 5. Very simple. I have shaded this one, 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 this one. Over 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shaded portion of us is there. 3 shaded portion is 1, 2, 3 shaded. Remaining not shaded. Why? Because of total 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 inside. 3 shaded portion is there. 3 4 shaded portion. So like this you have to shading the portion of the given fraction. Are you understood my dear students? Yes. Okay. So I go next question. Okay. So I go next question. Okay. Now, fifth question. Fifth question. Find. First one. Find first one. 1 by 2 of A. Value of A 24. B 46. So like this question is there. Find 1 by 2 of first A, second B. Very simple is there, my dear students. See concentration. So 1 by 2 of A, first you take 24 is there. Understood students? Okay. 1 by 2 of means in mathematics into first number is given 24. Right? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 12s are 12 divided by what remain 1 1s are 1, so 12 by 1 is answer is 12. So like this is doing, my dear students. Then B 1 by 2 of 46. So 1 by 2 into 46. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 1 23s are 23 divided by what is there 1 is equal to 23 by 1 means what? 23. This is the answer. Very simple mathematics. See how to doing right now. Okay. Next one B. So I give homework. Yes. You do the homework. This is do the homework. So fifth question is there. Find. Homework we have to do homework. So one more. Second one. So second B is there. 2 by 3 of 2 by 3 of A. 2 by 3 of A 18. B 27. Third one. 3 by 4 of A1 16. B1 36. Next fourth one 4 by 5 of A1 B1 केवल 20, 35. So this is how to do the homework. Like this only. You have to know like this only how to multiply and multiply the or cancellation. Understood, dear students? Okay. Now next question we are going for sixth question. This is fifth inside only homework. Okay. Next question is there. Multiplied express. Sixth question. Multiply and express. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. As a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. So first A is there. A 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5. 5 whole 1 by 5. So how to doing this one, my dear students? Very carefully see the carefully. Very simple mathematics is there. Solution. First you have to write 3 into 5 whole 1 by 5 is there. So 3 into. So mixed fraction is there. First you have to convert it into the improper fraction. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26 by 5. So is equal to. So whatever denominator is 1. Numerator multiplication. Denominator multiplication. 3 6s are 18. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Divided by 1 5s are 5. So is equal to 78 divided by 5. What? Divide it. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. So 5 is there. 5 ones are 5. So 7 minus 5 2. What it means 8. So 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 5 is 25. So what it means 8 minus 5 3. 2 minus 2 0. Coefficient 5 you have to write here. So 15 coefficient you have to write here. 15 5 is 75. 75 plus the remainder 3. So 78. This is the answer, my dear students. So like this you have to multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So whole 3 into 1 again mixed fraction is right. So mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. After you have the numerator multiplication and denominator multiplication. After answer will come now converted into improper fraction to mixed fraction. Are understood, my dear students? Yes. Now B 5 into 6 whole 3 by 4 is there. 5 into 6 whole 3 by 4 is there. Same thing, this also same. This also same. So 5 into 6 whole 3 by 4. So 5 into 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 3 27 by 4. So whatever denominator is 1 is equal to. So 5 7s are 35. So carry 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 13 divided by 1 4s are 4. So convert it into improper fraction to mixed fraction. 135 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. So 3 minus 2 1 and 0. Then what remains? 5 remain. So 4 3s are again 12. 4 3s are 12. So what remains? 5 minus 2 3 0. So whatever denominator 4 is there 4. Coefficient is there 33. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 4s are 2. Carry 132. 132 plus 3 135. So like this how to do that. So next class we will be discussing continue. Okay. Do well. Write the classwork is very important. Classwork all of you send. Hello my dear students. Compulsory all of you send the notes. Which subject also? It is not in mathematics only. All subject. You see the video and watch the video. If you not understood, ask the subject teacher. Will be explaining one time. Again one time explain.